Hi there. It's just such a beautiful, stunning morning. So if you can see around, it's just so lovely, blue skies. So just let's take a moment. Can you hear that? To hear the sounds. Let me go a bit closer. Because on days like today, and every day, there's a reason to connect with the beautiful sound of the stream, the sunlight filtering through the trees, the sheep in the field, the blue sky, and the birds singing. Isn't that lovely? That's our connection with nature, and just being aware of the sounds around us and what we can see is something that really helps us very much each day to stay in the here and now. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.